Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns. Acorns is a mobile app that helps you save money for retirement. It's a great app for beginners, but is it the best option out there? In this video, I'm going to take a look at Acorns and see how it stacks up against some of the other best investment apps on the market. We'll cover things like fees, features, and user experience. So, let's get started. Main body. What is Acorns? Acorns is a mobile app that helps you save money for retirement. It works by rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you spend $10.25 at the grocery store, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest the extra 75 cents. Acorns also offers a number of other features, such as automated investing. You can set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your Acorns account. Goal setting. You can set goals for things like retirement, a down payment on a house, or a new car. Portfolio diversification. Acorns invests your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Tax-advantaged accounts. You can open a Roth IRA or a 529 college savings plan through Acorns. Acorns fees. Acorns has a few different fee structures. Personal, $1 per month. Family, $3 per month. Student, $0 per month. Premium, $5 per month. The personal, family, and student plans include unlimited trades and access to all of Acorns' features. The premium plan includes unlimited trades, access to all of Acorns' features, and access to a financial advisor. Acorns features. Acorns has a number of features that make it a great option for beginners. Here are a few of the most notable features. Easy to use. The app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. Automated investing. This makes it easy to save money without having to think about it. Goal setting. This helps you stay motivated and on track. Portfolio diversification. This helps to reduce your risk. Tax-advantaged accounts. This can help you save money on taxes. Acorns pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use. Automated investing. Goal setting. Portfolio diversification. Tax-advantaged accounts. Low fees. Cons. Limited investment options. No customer support. Not the best option for experienced investors. Acorns alternatives. If you're looking for an alternative to Acorns, here are a few other options. Betterment. Betterment is a robo-advisor that offers a similar service to Acorns. It's a bit more expensive than Acorns, but it offers a wider range of investment options. Wealthfront. Wealthfront is another robo-advisor that offers a similar service to Acorns. It's also more expensive than Acorns, but it offers a wider range of investment options and better customer support. Robinhood. Robinhood is a stock trading app that offers commission-free trades. It's a good option for experienced investors who are looking for more control over their investments. Conclusion. Acorns is a great option for beginners who are looking for an easy way to save money for retirement. It's also a good option for people who want a hands-off approach to investing. However, if you're looking for more investment options or better customer support, you may want to consider one of the other options on this list. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Additional information. You can find more information about Acorns on their website, https://www.acorns.com. You can find more information about Betterment on their website, https://www.betterment.com. You can find more information about Wealthfront on their website, https://www.wealthfront.com. You can find more information about Robinhood on their website, https://robinhood.com. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.